Hello and welcome to Full of Food. Bit of a different video. I'm going to show you how I clean my air fryer. So this one's had bacon in it. It's really quite messy, it's really quite greasy, and I've been lucky enough to be sent this brilliant box from a company called Seep. So they are plastic free, sustainable, they're brilliant. I've been using their brushes for a while now and they've sent me some other goodies. So I've got this lovely brush, like I said, it's wooden, plastic free. They sent some really nice cloths. They soften up when you put them in water, so we'll use one of those in this video. I've also got these. Now these are amazing, they've been a game changer. So they're these sponge scourers and they've got this sponge side and then this rougher side, and it's brilliant for cleaning your air fryer. Good old rubber gloves, eco rubber gloves there, because we don't want to get our hands dirty. They also sent me some copper scourers. I'm not going to use those in my air fryer because it will scratch. Lovely bag to keep everything in. So let's get started. So I also use good old washing up liquid, a dishwasher tablet, can be any kind of dishwasher tablet, and then this is a little trick. I've got some tissue and one of those silicone spatulas. So here we go. What we're going to do, this one, like I said, was really greasy, so I like to get another piece of tissue there. And you can see all that grease, it's had bacon or sausages cooked in it, and they're the ones that are really hard to get out, and we don't want to put any of that grease down the drain if we can help it. So I use one of these silicone tools that I use for my air fryer anyway, and what I do is I just scrape off all of that fat. Now if you remember when you finish cooking, you can actually pour this out onto a tissue and then pop it in the bin. Don't put it down the sink, it clogs up the drain. But I just like to scrape this out at the end, because normally when my air fryer is finished, I'm too busy eating my food. Pop in a dishwasher tablet. This is the really good grease busting bit. Put boiling water on top of that, and you want to melt that tablet in there, and you want to make sure that that dishwasher tablet gets through all of the bottom and covers your plate inside the air fryer, the crisper plate. So I like to use quite a lot of hot water in here, and then I'm going to leave that, so just give it a little shake to get that tablet dissolving. I'm going to leave that to soak for 30 minutes. Now 30 minutes is key because the water's still warm enough to clean, but it's not too hot to handle. So here we are, it's been 30 minutes. Now, first thing I'm going to do is, with that plate in there, I'm going to get my brush and just loosen off all of that grease and dirt and excess food. So take my plate out. You can do this in the sink. I'm just doing it over here on the side so you can see. So I've got a little thing to the side with some water in. But then I get this lovely new sponge and we're going to go round on the soft side. And can you see the shape of it? Gets beautifully into those corners there. It's really nice, especially underneath. I always found it difficult to wash in the corners underneath. Then I get some washing up liquid on my hand and I give it a good old rub, and that removes all the extra grease on there. And then once that's done, I'm still using that water with the dishwasher tablet in, by the way, because it's got all the nice grease busting bits in there. I'm going to just give that a little rinse in water. Like I said, you could do that in the sink. I'm just doing it here so I don't have to keep taking you backwards and forwards from the sink. So then I get that lovely scourer and I use the sponge side to go all the way around the sides, getting all of those splatters off. And I like to get right into the corners there, right across the bottom. So I just discard that down the sink, and you can see there how clean that is, how sparkly it is, because we've used the dishwasher tablet and because we've used that lovely scoury sponge on the bottom to just wash everything off. So just go back round again with my cloth and my sponge to check I've got all those little bits from the corner. Like I said, I love these scourers because they get right in the corners. It's like it's the perfect shape. So that's pretty clean. I'm going to pop that back in. Get rid of that water for you. And there you have it. So dried off now. Got a lovely clean air fryer. Really simple to do. I just like to set it to soak, set a timer, come back, do those final bits, and then pop it back in ready. Thank you for watching.